Hey there, how's it going? In this video, I'll be showing you about how you can integrate your Learndash courses with a membership plugin called as Restrict Content Pro, and I'll also show you how you can sell your courses through membership levels, multiple membership levels, and you can also sell your courses bundles with membership levels and also we'll be showing you how you can drip your courses in Learndash. However, as there is an already existing option in Learndash which provides us an option to drip the lessons, but there is no option to drip the courses in Learndash. So by using this extra add-on of Restrict Content Pro, we can drip the courses through membership levels to the multiple users. I will also be showing you how you can sell courses through WooCommerce, and also WooCommerce, you can also sell them as WooCommerce subscriptions as well. However, I'm not using that on my course, but I will also show you how you can do so. So before proceeding, let me tell you why I'm using Restrict Content Pro only and not Paid Membership Pro or any other membership plugin like Wordpress or WooCommerce memberships. First of all, actually, I have tried with all these plugins and tried achieving the things that I actually needed to get on my website, but each of those plugins were lagging in some or the other things, and Restrict Content Pro provided me with everything that I was actually looking for. Like I wanted timely email notifications, and I also wanted to drip the content. That is, I wanted to schedule the courses, not only the lessons. I wanted to schedule the courses for students. For example, when somebody purchases a course bundle of 5 courses, I want to schedule each course to be released only on a weekly or monthly basis. So by using only Restrict Content Pro was actually giving me an option to drip the courses. But whereas I tried with the paid membership Pro series add-on, but it was actually not giving me an option to drip any of the Learndash courses or uh, lessons as well. So I dropped paid membership Pro plugin. So I'll show you what all I have done in my website step by step. So firstly, I'll show you my website. So this is my website wherein I'm selling the courses. I have implemented this login and logout functionality with Learndash. So first let's proceed with adding the courses and then attaching them with WooCommerce products, and then we can proceed with the Restrict Content Pro. So here I'm already logged into my backend. So when you go to so I assume that you have already installed Learndash LMS plugin and also WooCommerce plugin. So when you go to the Learndash and then courses, you'll be having an option to create a new course or from here, and or if you want to associate an existing course with any of your WooCommerce product, you will need to create a product in WooCommerce before doing so. So I'll just go ahead and activate my WooCommerce plugin. Since I'm not using it, I have kept it deactivated over here, but I'm just activating it. Right. So here as I said, I have already tried many of the plugins, so I have kept them deactivated because they were not working for me, and I have kept only those plugins which are working for me. I have kept only Restrict Content Pro and Restrict Content Pro Drip Content plugin to be active because I'm using them. And I have just activated WooCommerce because I want to show you how you can sell your courses with WooCommerce. So I'll just move on with the courses that I have already created, and I'll associate one of the existing course with a product. I've already created a product for my course. So I'll go to the course products section over here to sell a product in WooCommerce. Here, as you can see, I have already created some of the products which I wanted to associate with some of my existing courses over here. So here one course is there with the name of React Self-Defense Course 1. So I have already created a product which is associated with that particular course. So when you go and edit this product, I'll show you an option wherein. So before doing so, you will also need to activate a plugin called as Learndash for WooCommerce. So once you activate that plugin, install and activate that plugin. Let me activate that one. I've already kept it deactivated because I'm not using it. So I have activated Learndash elements for WooCommerce integration. So currently you can see there is no field for associating a course in my product. So this is a product. I'll just reload this, and then here you will get a field for associating your Learndash courses to your product. So as you can see here, you can add your courses that you want to sell with this particular course. For example, if the price of your React self-defense course is 35 or any of that, so here you'll need to put the price. So the price of my course is 35 pounds, so I have kept it 35. Here you'll need to add the course that you want to associate with this particular product. I have added this course, and then here you'll need to publish update. So since I am just showing you for this, which I have already created, I'll just click on update, copy, and then you will need to take this product link and paste it over here in your course settings option over here, closed, and then here you will need to put the product link. Right, so since I'm not using the WooCommerce, I'll not be using it, but I'll show you how you can just change it. I'll just change it to the product link, as you can see, slash product slash React self defense. I'll update it. So I'll just visit this course with incognito mode. So this is restricted because my restrict content plugin is active. I'll just deactivate my restrict content pro and this plugins. If I deactivate them, then you'll be able to purchase this course with WooCommerce. So I'm not just deactivate this one for a temporary basis. These plugins, Learndash Elements Restrict Content Pro, Restrict Content Pro, and Restrict Content Pro Drip Content. I'm deactivating them for temporary basis, and I'll just go and reload this page. So here you'll see that you'll be able to purchase this course with WooCommerce. When I click on take this course, it will take you to this product page, and then you can just purchase this one. Once you purchase this particular product, you will be getting access to that particular course instantly. So I'll just go and check it out. I'll just put some dummy data over here. Okay, so there are no payment methods that I have connected with my WooCommerce. So as you can see, once I have connected with my course with the WooCommerce product, it will be coming directly to your WooCommerce checkout page once you click on take this course button. I hope you know how to proceed from here, as you already might be knowing WooCommerce checkout and all. So once you integrate payment option, Here you will be able to check out, and then you will be able to purchase the course through WooCommerce. And you can even integrate the subscriptions for your WooCommerce courses directly from here in the settings option. If your course is a recurring course, then you can set up from here. Like you can put the price and then billing cycle and all. So here in this case you will need to process the payments with the internal Learndash payment option from here. I'll show you from where. So here, as you can see, there's an option for PayPal settings. Here you will be able to so once you enter your details, so all your recurring payments and all will be processed from this PayPal option, processed through this PayPal account. And also if you're selling directly through buy now button, if it is not a recurring course, if you're selling it as a one-time purchase course, also here again it will also take the account details from this PayPal settings. You can also integrate the Stripe payment account if you want. You can just use a plugin called as Learndash LMS Stripe payment gateway, and you can just integrate it and use it. So this is how you can integrate your WooCommerce and Learndash LMS. Now moving on with Restrict Content Pro, I'll deactivate the WooCommerce plugins that I don't need. Now I'll activate the Restrict Content plugins. So since I have already tested and have set up this everything on my website, I'm just giving you a guide about how you can, what you can do and what step you will need to follow in order to implement the membership through Learndash on your website. So the difficulty that I was facing while implementing this setup on my website was uh, on drip content and also the custom registration field. So first of all, let's moving on with how we can create the memberships and restricting the content on the courses. So you'll need to have 3 plugins in order for everything to be working uh, in case of memberships for you. So in my case, I'm using Restrict Content Pro for memberships, and I'm selling my Learndash courses by using memberships of Restrict Content Pro plugin. So we can also use other plugins like Memberpress, Paid Membership Pro, or WooCommerce memberships as well. But I had some specific requirements, so that's the reason I'm using this Restrict Content Pro. And I also have installed Learndash LMS course grid because I want to showcase my courses on my website in grid format. I have used Learndash LMS notifications for sending custom email notifications to customers whenever they enroll in course or whenever they complete a course, complete a lesson. And I also want to send the notification to the student whenever a scheduled lesson is available, and I also have scheduled a notification to be sent to the customer when a scheduled course is available. So in my case, I have also used Learndash LMS Restrict Content Pro because I have achieved my membership by using Restrict Content Pro plugin, and I have used drip content for dripping the courses, as I already mentioned earlier, because I was not able to achieve the dripping of courses by using Paid Membership Pro and Memberpress. And I already know that Learndash is having the default content protection, and it also has an option to schedule the lessons by default. So I wasn't able to achieve my requirement of dripping of the courses. So I have used this one for achieving the dripping courses. So these are the plugins that I have used, and I assume you already have installed them. And now let's proceed with how we can create the memberships and associate the required courses with them and all. So here when you install, you will be seeing an option of restrict over here, and here you will need to go to the membership levels in order to create a new membership level. So first let's proceed with settings. First you will need to configure your Learndash LMS and your Restrict Content Pro plugin. You will have to create them, create the required pages. So once you install this Restrict Content Pro plugin, it will by default create these pages for you, like registration page, and success page is the page where your customers will be redirected once they make the payment. Account page is the page wherein your customers will be seeing all their account data like memberships and all. Here edit profile page is wherein a customer can edit the data. So here multiple pages there, so these pages will be created by default for you by Restrict Content Pro. Here you can set up your payment method by using a Restrict Content Pro. I have selected Stripe in testing mode. You can select any of your required payment method from here, and here you can select the emails that you want to send to the customer and your admin, like paid membership activation email, and you can disable it for a member or admin like this. So you have each of these options to disable any of the email notifications to either admin or the customer. And you can even edit this template file or the design of this email. You can even preview by clicking on the preview option over there like this. You can select any of these options as per your requirement. So I'll not be explaining much in detail about emails because you people already might be knowing, as you all have been used with WooCommerce and all. Now moving on with the settings of membership levels, I'll just go to the membership levels, and I have already created some of the membership levels over here. I'll create a new membership level and will show it to you. So here there's an option called as add new membership level. For example, if you want to associate one of your courses with any of your membership levels, first you will need to create a course in Learndash LMS. I assume you already know how to create a course in Learndash LMS, and then once you have created a course in Learndash LMS and installed it, then here you will come to this membership levels page, and then here you will need to add a membership level like test membership. So here I'll add a description. The description of your test membership will go up here. Okay. Alright, you can select an access level for this course. Like for example, if you select an access level of 3, set this access level to be 3, then this person, the member who has access to this membership will get access to all the levels below 3, like they will get an access to all the levels below 3, like 2 and all 3 and below 3. And if you give an access level of 4, they will get access to all the memberships levels below 4, like 4 or below, like this. As you can see here, a member with an access level of 5 can view content assigned to access level of 5 and lower, whereas a member with an access level of 4 can only view content assigned to levels of 4 and lower. I hope this is clear. A member with an access level of the current level can only view the content of this level and its lower level. Okay, so I'll show where this will be displayed in our course. So if you don't want, you can just leave it like this. So I'm not selecting it because I don't know it, I don't need it currently. And here the length of this membership level, like when this membership will be expired, so you can select in days, months, years. So if you want that to be 2 weeks, 4 weeks and all, you can select it as 6 weeks, 42 days for 6 weeks. And then maximum renewals, we can just select the maximum time a member can renew their membership. Alright, I'm just leaving it to until cancelled. And if you want to provide any free trial duration or not. And the price of this membership level, you can set it as per your requirement. So I'm setting it to be £35. And you can even select the sign up fee that will be charged extra for the first sign up, and then renewal will be this much, that is 35. So I'm just keeping it 0 because I don't want to charge any sign up fee currently. And this is the status of the membership, wherein this will be active or deactive, because if you set this to be inactive, then it will not be able to be accessed by any of the future registrations, and it will not be shown in the registration page. And here you'll need to select the role of the user when they sign up for a membership. So I want it to be the customer. Then you'll need to select the course that you want to be associated with this membership level. This membership will give access to these many courses. You will need to select control, press control and select. In case of Mac, command and select. Alright. So you can select multiple courses as well, or you can select the single course as well. So I have selected these two courses and I'll select this one. Here I'll set the drip for the course. For example, first course will be immediately available. I'll select the content type and then the courses. Here you can schedule any of the data that you want, like courses, lessons, topics, quiz, everything. I'm selecting courses, and this course, the first course, will be available immediately, that is 0 days. And then I'll select the second course, that is my course number 2, to be available after 2 days of their sign up. And then I'll select the course 3 to be available after 4 days of their sign up. To be available after 4 days. Alright, so once you have done all the changes, then just click on add membership level. So you can see that this test membership is available in your database. Now you can just check for this by visiting your registration page. So as I already know that my registration page is this one, so I'll just go here and I'll check for this. So here you can see this test membership is available. The validity of that is 42 days, and here it's showing the description of this membership. Will go here, and here is the details of this membership. That is the test membership cost £35, and next renewal date will be Feb 12. Alright, you can select over here your payment method. I'll just fill up this one, and I'll just check with my sign up whether it's giving me access to the required courses or not. So I'll just put up some data over here. Testing, my username is testing, and React. Alright, so I'll put some dummy email over here, testing at. So here I have selected this test membership that I recently created, and I'll put my test data over here. So I'll put some data and then here. So as I have activated my payment gateway in test mode, it's giving me all these details. Once you activate this in live mode, you won't be able to get this test data. So I have selected this, and I'll just click on register. Alright, so I have already registered now, and as you can see I have logged in. I'll just go to my membership page, or I'll just go to my page. I know the link of this my page wherein I'll be able to see my data. So as I'm not completely set up my this website, so I'm directly visiting the link. So here I have created my schedule data. So as you can see, once I have signed up, I am able to get access to this React Self-Defense course 1. So today is, as you can see, Jan 1st. So I have got access to this immediately, and I kept the access to be given to this course after 2 days of the sign up, which will be available to me on Jan 3, and 4 days of sign up, which means Jan 5. So once you go to your lesson, you'll be able to access your lesson and complete the lesson by watching the video over there. And then you can just mark as complete and proceed to the next lesson like this. You can even move to the previous lesson from here and just mark as complete, and you will be able to move to the lesson number 3. So this is how you can restrict the content. So now when I again go to my this video course 2, I'll not be able to access this immediately. I already know the link of my course, so I'll try visiting it directly from here, like course number 3, that is course number 2. Alright, so it is showing that this content is restricted to subscriber. You can modify this message, restricted content message, that is displaying over here. If you want to see the active memberships on your website, you can just go to memberships option over here, and then you can see like the customer name and their active membership level over here. And here you can see the number of customers who are there on your website. And in case of your courses as well, if you want to provide access to your courses through Restrict Content Pro directly, you can even drop access to them from over here like this. You'll need to select whether when this course will be available to a member. So here you'll need to select the required option, whether this will be available to the members of membership levels or members with an access level that I already told you. Like for example, if you provide a member for access level of 4, they will be getting access to all the membership levels of 4 and below, like that. Alright, so here you can select your courses and settings as per your requirement, and then here you can even set the member with certain role, but I have to associate with the membership level, so I have selected this one, and I have created these membership levels, as you can see. And here you can even rip the content from here as well. So both of this and this are actually synced up, so when you select any option from here, it will be automatically displayed over here. So you can select in any of the places that will be applied to it. So alright guys, this is how you can schedule or sell your courses using Restrict Content Pro through Learndash. I hope the things are clear. If something is not clear, please feel free to write back to me in the comment section. I'll be very happy to assist you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to keep getting the future updates. Thank you. Bye bye.